Here's how you can send spoiler images on Discord Mobile. First, open Discord and go to the conversation or channel where you want to send the image. Tap the plus button next to the message box and select the image you want to send. Before sending it, look at the image preview. Discord's current mobile app allows you to mark supported attachments as spoilers directly from the attachment options. Look for the spoiler or mark as spoiler option and enable it. Once the image is marked as a spoiler, tap Send. The image will appear hidden with a spoiler warning instead of displaying the contents immediately. Anyone viewing the message will need to tap the spoiler image before the picture is revealed. If you don't see a spoiler option in your version of Discord, make sure the app is updated through your device's app store. You can also try selecting the image again from the attachment menu rather than sending it immediately. Remember that spoiler formatting only hides the attachment until someone chooses to reveal it. It doesn't prevent users from accessing the image after they tap it. That's all for this video. Thanks.